Welcome to Quiz on the Road. Today, get ready to test your knowledge with 30 fun and challenging questions on abbreviations. Let's get started. What does CEO mean? Chief Educational Officer, Chief Executive Officer, Central Employment Organization, or Corporate Efficiency Overseer? The answer is, of course, Chief Executive Officer. What does NATO stand for? North American Treaty Organization, National Alliance of Trade Operations, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, or Northern Armed Tactical Order? NATO is Northern Atlantic Treaty Organization. What is GPS short for? General Positioning System, Global Planetary Survey, Global Positioning System, Group Precision Standards. GPS is Global Positioning System. What does HTML mean? High-tech markup language, hypertext markup language, home tool management library, hybrid technology media link. HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. What does DIY stand for? Design it yourself, do it yourself, develop innovative yields, or direct instruction yearly. DIY is do it yourself. What is USB short for? Universal Serial Bus, United Systems Backup, Ultra Speed Broadband, or User Support Branch. USB is Universal Serial Bus. What does LOL stand for? Lots of luck, laughing out loud, League of Legends, or love our lives? LOL stands for laughing out loud. What is ATM short for? Automated Transaction Monitor, Advanced Technology Module League, American Transport Mechanism, or Automated Teller Machine? ATM is short for Automated Teller Machine. What is IBM an abbreviation for? International Business Machines, Integrated Business Model, Industrial Building Management, or Information Broadcasting Media? IBM stands for International Business Machines. What does MRI stand for? Medical Research Institute, Magnetic Resonance Imaging, Modern Radiology Initiative, Molecular Reaction Indicator. MRI is Magnetic Resonance Imaging. What does RAM mean in computing? Random Access Memory, Readily Available Module, Random Application Manager, or Resource Allocation Matrix? RAM is Random Access Memory. What is PDF an abbreviation for? Public Data File, Processed Digital Framework, Portable Document Format, or Permanent Document Folder? PDF is Portable Document Format. What does SEBI mean in India? Standard Employment Bureau of India, Social Empowerment Board of India, State Economic Business Institute, or Securities and Exchange Board of India? The answer is Securities and Exchange Board of India. What does SOS mean? Save our ship, Standard Operating Signal, System Overload Status, or is it a distress signal with no specific full form? SOS used to mean save our souls, but now it's a distress signal with no specific full form. What is GPA short for? General Performance Average, Grade Point Average, Global Productivity Assessment, or Graduate Program Admission? GPA is grade point average. We are now at the halfway mark. Have you hit the subscribe button yet? What does SUV mean? Standard utility vehicle, sport utility vehicle, super urban van or special use vehicle. SUV is a sport utility vehicle. What does MP3 stand for? Music player 3, MPEG 1 audio layer 3, multi-phase 3 or media processor 3. MP3 stands for MPEG 1 audio layer 3. What does CBSE mean in India? Central Board of Secondary Education, Council for Business and Social Education, Certified Board of Science Education or Community-Based School Enhancement. The answer is Central Board of Secondary Education. What is XML an abbreviation for? Extensible Markup Language, Extra Media Link, External Mapping Layer or Experimental Modeling Language. It is Extendable Markup Language. What does ONGC stand for in India? Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, Overseas National Gas Company, Operational Network for Gas Control, Organic Nutrient Growth Council. ONGC stands for Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. What is GIF short for? General Image Framework, Graphic Interchange Format, Global Illustration File or Grid Image Function. GIF is Graphic Interchange Format. What does UPSC mean in India? Universal Public Safety Committee, United Professional Standards Council, Union Public Service Commission, Urban Planning and Service Corporation. UPSC is Union Public Service Commission. What does FIFA stand for? Federation of International Football Association, Federation Internationale de Football Association, Football International Federal Alliance, Federal Institute for Football Advancement. It is Federation Internationale de Football Association. What is SEO an abbreviation for? Systems Engineering Office, Search Engine Optimization, Standard Employment Organization or Social Enhancement Operations. SEO is Search Engine Optimization. What does GST mean in India? General Sales Tax, Goods and Service Tax, Government Subsidy Transfer, Global Standards Treaty. GST is Goods and Service Tax. What is VGA an abbreviation for? Video Graphics Array, Virtual Gaming Alliance, Visual Geometry Application or Variable Graphic Access. Full form of VGA is Video Graphics Array. What is URL short for? Unified Research Library, Universal Resource Locator, User Registration Link or Ultra Reliable Line. Full form of URL is Universal Resource Locator. What is CV short for? Is it Commercial Vehicle, Central Vision, Corporate Value or Curriculum Vitae? CV stands for Curriculum Vitae. What does TGIF mean? Temporary General Improvement Fund, Thank Goodness It's Friday, Total Group Interaction Forum or Targeted Growth Incentive Framework. TGIF means Thank Goodness It's Friday. And finally, what does R&D stand for? Revenue and Distribution, Rules and Discipline, Research and Development, Repair and Design. R&D stands for Research and Development. And that's the end of today's quiz. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments or challenge a friend to beat your score. Don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for playing.